Grado, alas 3 dito, makakawa na ako eh.
Style tayo dito. Hindi ako maglalaro bukas.
Shut up, don't say that. Bakit naman?
Kailangan manalo. Let's go, let's go. Tama, you gonna push that water?
Yup. Oh, they're pushing me, they're pushing me.
Nothing on B, nothing. Sige, baka meron dyan sa likod.
I'm going around, I'm going full wrap. I'm going full wrap.
I'm gonna plant, Jay. Watch
One
my
wall,
water,
one wall, one wall, one wall.
Tama. Ayun, nice.
Dead.
Last two.
Last guy.
I got you, last guy.
Nice spawn, got him.
Oh, nag-full wrap ako, hindi nila ako nakita. I'm gonna do it again.
Sige.
Bagal mo naman, men.
It's all good. Ang nakapasok na kayo. Paano pag namatay kayo ka, diba? Mas meron sa likod pala.
Nice.
Sa likod lang sila.
Warrior them niggas. Nice, Jason.
Cause I was watching mid.
99 pounds on my shoes and one down putang.
Ganda yun, man. To me, bro, that's a good ass fucking emblem.
Protect the objective.
Boys, I got your B. Putan nyo na. Diversion na ako sa B. I want to run nade on B, ah.
Water,
Okay.
one water. He went down.
One on B right now. Dead. I think bomb downs B. Bomb downs B.
Nice, last guy. Last guy, guys, ha? Nice.
Last guy, ano? Anong tawag dyan?
Damn, they're. Oh shit.
Up, down earth.
yata.
Down earth.
Ano may wall? Wall ba yan?
Hindi, mid, ano yun? What do you guys want to call that? Red?
That's ano.
Daming red.
Mid building? I don't know.
No,
Hut!
that's
Call it
A second floor. A
No, no,
second
no.
floor.
Kuhanga.
Mid hut.
A second floor.
A2.
Okay.
Canopy.
No, pangit yun, man. We won't remember it.
Walang fucking canopy sa itsura dyan.
Mid canopy. I'm going around.
Ito run nade, Jay.
Alright, one in the back. He went
Hey,
jump
hey.
water. He went back in water. One jump in water. Careful.
Jay, watch
Not
my
a water,
back to
he's
water.
mid B dom. One in B
Jumping
dom, one
your
B
side,
dom, one guy B. Yeah, he went B dom. Bumalik lang siya.
Jay, ako bahala sa harap mo, ah.
Pog, you should have score streak, right? Stay alive, Pog. Try to stay alive, okay? Lay down, Pog. Lay down. Man. Yeah, wall, ah.
Oh, he's back.
He's on the bomb,
Corner B.
Sayang.
What's that, last person?
Yo, sneakerhead. Punta ka lang doon. Ako lang mag-rotate, man. One guy should rotate. Only one guy should go around.
I didn't go around, I tried to trade it for you.
It's okay. Pumunta siya. I told you he went inside water.
He fucking
Went
clutched
back
all of us,
No, he
man.
didn't, dude. He failed to jump up and then bumalik siya.
Uy, galaw nyo, oh. Ito yung galaw nyo.
Ay, ano to, man? Ano to?
Bilis
Ano ba to?
Mabilis.
Turn niya.
Switching sides.
Yeah.
Oh, you think meron?
Yeah, meron. Let's go.
Kaya siya lang gumagawa, man, oh. Let's go.
Ako bahala sabihin nyo, ah.
Defend the objective.
As long as hindi ako mapaplang sa likod ng B. Let's go. Kasi may naka-RC, I'm a puppet B. Ah, one water.
Wow!
One water.
Water still alive?
Yeah. Okay, last guy.
He's water going A. 1A.
Last guy.
You know?
Alright, 1A. He's in B hut. Yeah, go around him.
A2.
Go around him.
A2 siya.
Go
A2
around him.
siya,
Sneakerhead.
A2.
He's in the right side. Go.
Right here.
You know?
Oh my
Get him.
god.
Go for a trade, Pog. Run.
He's weak,
Go.
man.
Oh my god. You
I gotta play safe.
Alright, do you think?
He went water. Wall climb water, man.
Going B.
Hindi nyo dyan sa B.
Sneaker, that's what I'm...
No, wall climb water siya. No. Wall climb. So wall climb ng ano.
Yo,
hut.
let him play.
Okay, check ko eh.
Clock running down.
Just tell him he's at
Check
A.
in, then
Just tell
rotate.
him he's at A.
I don't know where he is. That's the thing.
Huwag ka
I just-
mag-roll climb.
Fuck.
Di ko alam kung nasan siya. He just wall climb. Yun huli ko. Nag-wall climb siya.
Fake.
Tubig lang yan, dude. Okay, nakiga. Jump.
Oh, he's not. Just defuse it.
Yung likod mo.
No, it's a bad idea. Told you.
Ow.
Break.
Can't just
It's
defuse
okay,
that right
it's
away,
okay,
man.
It's okay. It's okay.
Either way, that guy's gonna.
Oh,
what? No.
Oh! That's a good corner. Patay ko siya
Dang,
sa akin.
ganda.
My God, sorry.
What the fuck?
That was a good
Wala mong corner na yun, ah.
Switching operation ready.
Wala man na siya sa...
Ay, na-ace tayo dalawang beses, man. Let's go.
Kasi dapat pag last
Let's go,
game,
eh.
huwag kayo mag-ano, man. Push. We gotta...
Go,
stick
go,
together.
go.
Clear the objective.
I didn't
I didn't
push.
push. Na ano ko eh. I was gonna go for the trick.
Sabi niyo, weak, okay.
Yeah, he's weak. Pero hindi na finish up ni Sneaker.
Yeah, coming. I'm gonna drop water
Clear,
side.
clear.
Dropping water side. Doon ako sa room, ha. Doon ako sa left side room, Jay.
Oh, he's inside there, man. He's outside. Just outside that door. Outside that door. Tanya pala ako, man. Right there. Come on, Jay, ah. No.
Punta ako water.
Kita ka.
I got the front window.
Water.
Nice.
Inside
I got
water.
front window.
Nice alive.
Oh, water is stairs. Water is stairs.
Nice. Nice trade. 2v2. Don't go there. Ang baka kasi pumunta dyan, eh.
Ayun, oh. Water doon sa, ano. Isa pumunta
Nice,
water.
last guy.
Water, last guy.
One guy play time. Nice.
Nice work, Black Ops. Get ready for the next round.
Shit, boys.
Is it gonna work, my man? Sorry guys, ha. Namatay ako sa, ano.
What about it?
Good shit, Mark. Good shit, Jay. Good shit.
Nakaglitch pa rin ako, puta. Wala akong hitwave.
Switching sides.
God. Should've been 4-1, my bad.
Protect the objective.
Bilang ako ulit, ha. Bilang.
Yeah, Pog. I'm gonna go be with you.
Hostile ECXD spotted.
RC.
Hey, he's mid,
I think
bro.
it's A push.
Waiting for him. Yeah.
It's
RC's
not.
in mid. RC's here, A.
Oh my god, A2, he went out,
One shot water. One shot water.
RC's inside A.
Mark.
He went water
nice.
again. 3v2, 3v2.
RC's on bomb. RC on bomb A.
Yeah, chill out. Okay, we're good. Pushing me. Dead.
Nice.
Got him.
Good shit, boys.
Get ready for the next round.
I was waiting for him. He was gonna come out because I just
Is this
heard
the one and done or this
one
is
and done.
an
Yeah,
One
one and done.
I waited here kasi alam ko ano eh. The
Nice,
fucking
Mark.
thing blew up.
MVP, Mark. Let's go.
He's somewhere gonna be here or whatever. They go.
Switching
Dude,
Come around,
kalaban ko
guys.
si Mark, man. Tanga na hirap ako kay Mark. Ay, anong motherfucking ninja yan, eh. Let's go.
Let's go B.
Demonito, let's go.
Destroy the objective.
Yeah, I got RC actually.
Bomb acquired.
No, don't push me. Fuck.
Pick muna tayo ng RC
Ito.
actually.
Sige, pick muna tayo. Pick.
Watch the nade.
Jay, you good?
Yo, one guy mid, ah. One guy mid.
Wow,
Hey, somewhere.
socks though. Socks to your nade, man.
No way.
We gotta play for pick. We gotta kill.
Two mid. Guys, 2 mid, guys. Namatay.
Bridge.
I'm on A.
Andiyan siya, ano. Nice.
Mark.
Tumakbo sila.
Oh no!
Stay alive.
One water, nice.
Oh, tumakbo ka muna.
2v2,
Balik ka sa
2v2.
bidang, Pog.
No, Pog, what are you
nigga, what are you
doing? So 1v1, boy. 1v1.
Sorry.
1v1, boy, ah. Bomb down sa spawn natin.
Running out. Finish this.
Sorry, Mark. Natin mo naman.
No, out.
Ayun, oh.
Di nga.
Dingo!
No!
Dingo!
Mark, I can't believe that shit worked. I'm done.
Mark!
No way.
No, Mark. No.
Oh my god. Good shit, Mark.
May guardian ako, man. I got guardian.
Thank you. Love you.
I got the airstrike tsaka guardian.
Sige.
Nice.
Guardian on B. Tago tayo lahat sa A.
Oh, lalagay ko na guardian.
Yeah.
Lalagay ko
I
na
got
sa
your
B.
middle. Sige.
Ikaw na B.
I got this, man. I got this over here. On dito.
Friendly Guardian
Di sila makapasok dito sa ano, sa left side. They threw a flash on mid. Towards
Watch
B.
mid. Someone watch mid. Okay.
One mid.
Friendly lightning strike.
Going water.
Ready up. Call it out. Call it out. Nice, Mark. Last guy. Last guy. Last guy.
Last guy was middle. B. Oh, ayun.
Nice. Yeah, Mark Carrier. Let's go, boy.
Thank you, Mark. Mark.
Dalawa na tamaan ko, man. Di ko alam
Pog,
sa
ikaw na.
mid.
Pog.
I'll just say mid. I'll
Pog,
just say
pwede
mid.
ikaw na mag-report.
Sige.
Namatay yung phone ko.
Naka-record
Ano,
ba yan?
are we
Naka-record ba
done?
yan?
Yeah, recorded.
Naka-record ba
Damn,
yan?
gusto ko pa yata.
Tapa, man. Exactly, dude.
Isa
Yeah.
bang one and done?
No.
With these
Come on, Pog. What the fuck? Ang ganda ng laro natin. No, what the hell? Ganda na. These scores were red. Taas pa natin sila. Na 6-2 natin, man. Come on.
Red ba to?
Yo.
Yeah, red premium, boy. Taas pa natin. Red up ang mga yan.
Damn, bro. Ang ilang ganda ng
Malaki.
rival no, Mark.
Wala yan, man.
Magubat ka nga, Mark. Ha? Pakita mo sa amin, titi mo.